Hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Alright, we're playing some Mighty Cash here. Here are the progressives. We're going to go ahead and do some strategic betting. I put $41.22 in the machine. For those of you that have a limited budget, this is a good way to try to see if we can get a roar. So if you guys watch my videos, I always check the last paid out voucher. So in this case, it was $1.22. We're going to go ahead and do bronze level, 18 cents. We're going to do like, I want to say 30 spins. Let's see what we get. Alright, this is a 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 20. Oh. Alright, we got a roar. Alright. Normally when I, do the strategic betting, I usually do about 30 to 40 spins of the lowest bet, which is 18 cents. And then after that, I'll go and do a max bet. But in this case, we got the roar. So this definitely will add to our ammunition. Alright, last spin. Kind of back to where we started, so let's go ahead and do 20 spins and let's see what we get. Here we go. We got 3 spins. I'll try to go through this pretty quickly because 18-cent bonus is not that great. Last spin. Alright, let's go ahead and do 20 spins again. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Alright, here we go. I should just make this video an 18-cent session. For those of you that watch my videos, I definitely hit the grand on an 18-cent bet. So if you guys haven't watched that, feel free to check my channel and watch that video. spins of 18 cents. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 6, 7, 28, 29, 30. Let's go give it another 10 spins of 18 cents. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh gosh.
恭喜您赢得了免费游戏。
Alright, one last spin.
恭喜您，太棒了！
Alright, let's do it again. 30 spins of 18 cents. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Oh. Can you imagine if
超级现金
we
游
didn't
戏
get a roar on the 30th spin? The next spin would have been obviously a random roar. So here we go. Alright, last spin. Alright, let's go back and do 25 18-cent spins. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Alright, max bet 90 cents. Here we go. Come on, let's catch that roar. There we go, guys. Got the roar. Alright. So if you guys kind of watch my videos, I do this all the time, especially if I'm on a limited budget. And then, yeah, I'll just do a bunch of 18-cent spins, an average of 20 to 30 spins, and then try to hope and catch the random roar. So in this case, we got it, 16 spins. Here we go. First roar here. Alright, not too bad.
超级现金游戏。
Nice. Moving kind of fast. Might be hard to double it up. Alright, it's being stingy. Oh wow. wow, I got 4. All right, here we go. Alright guys, just like goes to show you that if you guys plan your budget, do strategic betting, you definitely increase your odds and hopefully get a roar. As you can see in this video, we got already a couple of roars on betting low and then eventually betting max bet. It's not too bad for a 90-cent max bet. We got $62 here, and we got 13 more spins. We're still in the bonus. All right, let's see. There you go, got a natural. All right, that's not moving too fast. Wow. All right, 3 more spins. Win on top of our, what is it, $68 win, so there we go. Alright, got 8 more spins to go. Spins. All right. Last spin, guys. All right, not bad. 90-cent max bet. Got $85 off this bonus. So we're definitely up. I believe, let's see, I think we started with $40. We're up about 70 bucks. All right, let's go ahead and do 3 backup spins. That's what I usually recommend after a bonus. Here we go. All right, hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's how you increase your odds playing Mighty Cash. Here we go.
A few moments later.
All right, guys. I started playing a little bit, sticking with 90 cents max bet, and I got some big numbers just for 90 cents. So here we go. All right, it's moving pretty quick. Well, hopefully we can go ahead and double it up. Spins after this. Come on, 2 more spins, or actually 1 more spin after this. All right, last spin. All right, double it up on 90 cents, guys. That's over 100 times our bet. So it just kind of goes to show you guys, if you guys stick with the strategy, betting low, and then doing a max bet at the end, and just kind of sticking with it, you never know. So I started with $40, and now I'm up $360. All right, so this is Mighty Cash, guys.